Hi, boys and girls. We back once again. Real quick before the markets open, I've got a ton more videos coming out here, but I just wanted to do this quick update. Um, on Friday, there was a market move 13 that took place, which was basically just a small gap down. Let's look at SPY instead. Small gap down, and this is what my drawing was on Friday. I was expecting a bounce at this level, which we got. I was expecting a sell here, which we got, but I did not get the continuation I was hoping for. I was hoping for what would have been a move 3 back into this level. And then what they did was they hammered shorts here. Anybody expecting that move, they hammered you basically. So I did play a sell here, but then I was out the rest of the day just because my plan did not come to fruition. I guess I wasn't really ready for the move 13 to happen so dramatically. And I was explaining this to somebody in the comments once where move 13 a lot of times comes in at yesterday's lows. So I didn't really expect the move 13 to happen up here, but I guess I should have. Obviously hindsight's 2020. Looking at this level here that was developed in the pre-market the day before. So that's my bad on the trade. I was still green for the day, but I did not want to trade this just because I was not ready for a move 13. Was expecting a downside. So the pattern now is starting to develop into a bullish sequence again. We've got a 2-day bullish sequence happening. Anybody calling the top here? They might be right eventually over the next couple days, given that it is an FOMC week, I believe, on Wednesday. So expect volatility. There is a high likelihood we visit, and this is only just based on SPY. It's a SPY call volume is all in the 445s. So, and that's way down here. Excuse me on that, but so they're expecting some kind of action to be taking place down here. Now it seems impossible, at this point because we're at 14 points higher on SPY. So 14 points in a week is going to be a lot, but I mean it's happened. I've seen 10 points in a day. So do we see a significant sell cut this week? I'm not sure. Positioning on SPY is extremely interesting. I don't want to say bearish. I don't really want to say, if it's bearish or bullish, but the positioning seems to be, as far as the big money goes, these 30,000 pluses, most of it is down here, and a lot of it, if you dig into this, for 1119, the strike, anyways, is basically 3 Fridays from now. They're all bearish down into the 445s, 440s. Obviously, 450 will be a big one. 455 was a very bullish action on 455. So it's pretty mixed, but digging into it, there was a huge amount of actual all this premium sitting at 445. So I'm keeping this just in the back of my head that a significant sell could be coming. It might take a day or two. So not sure what to expect. I am expecting bullish continuation off that move 13. So we'll be looking to buy dips. If we gap up, I'll wait for a sell. If we gap down, I'm going to buy dips down to here. I'm just going to wait. And once they break the sequence, break the pattern, which will probably be around Wednesday, then we can start thinking bearish again. But until then, I'm just going to go with the flow. The indicator as far as market risk goes, here's the trend. Right now we're just sitting at a 91, which is a little bit elevated, but it's not even that elevated. So definitely still a buy the dip scenario overall. So expecting some kind of buy the dip move to come in to play. And we'll see what the volume looks like. Apparently the Apple and Amazon diving after hours didn't mean anything. And this was something I was watching as we came into a yearly level with Amazon. They hammered it right into this yearly level, held the monthly, and then they're headed much higher. And I did see some crazy action on the 4,000s for Amazon. So I have no idea what's coming in Amazon. We'll have to see. Apple too. And this has been the pattern from what I can see. You guys might hear my cat in the background. This has been the pattern, is either flat earnings or down, at least with these big caps, and then basically just buy the dip. So once they kill the premiums on the options, then they rip it. So Apple took a little bit longer. This is the same pattern as Amazon 2 weeks ago, where they floated it into like mid-morning and then ripped it. Exact same pattern. So I am on the lookout for these patterns from now on. I was sitting here looking at this like as it was trending in on this pivot point here. I was going in my chat like, hey, which way is Apple going to go here? But since it was above this level, it was most likely higher. So I did not get in on this, but I was definitely checking it out and expecting a move higher. Let's see what else here. Yeah, that's it for now. Hopefully this helps you guys get a little bit of your head around what's potentially going to happen. So I do expect bullish Monday. It's kind of my call here. Buy the dip Monday, a sideways Tuesday, and then we're going to see a sell on Wednesday, most likely. So anyways, peace.